Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be unboxing a brand new Ted Baker wash bag. First things first, if this is your first time here, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for future notifications. So guys, in today's video I'll be unboxing my brand new wash bag that has just arrived in the post. And I recently got it in the sale. So this product was actually listed for £30 and I think I managed to bag it for under 20. But I think it's a beautiful bargain and a beautiful piece that I could add to my collection. I'm really excited that it's finally here. So now without any further delay, let's get unboxing. Oh wow, look at that. Okay, so I've got my delivery note in here. Don't you think the box looks absolutely pretty? Love the work on the inside. It says, what? It's what's on the inside that counts. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? So guys, as you've seen in the unboxing clip, this is what the box looks like on the inside. And it also comes in with a delivery note. Looks quite fancy, I'd say, the delivery note. And inside here is the wash bag. Now it's quite a big size. I thought it'd be really tiny. So here I've got it in the color navy blue. And it actually retailed for the price of £32, as I've mentioned. And I managed to get it in the sale for £16.62. I think that's a great bargain, don't you? I mean, I managed to get another 20% off using another code, I think MSE 20. But I think overall I've paid like a fairly reasonable price, and I've paid about £3.95 for shipping. So in total I've paid £19.15. I think that's an absolute bargain, don't you? Okay, so now let's get the actual bag open and see what it looks like, and let's touch and feel it and get all the feels and the vibes. Let's put this aside for now. It feels quite posh for a wash bag. I think it looks really pretty. It can go as a clutch. So this is what it looks like close up, and this is the zip here. And I've got the Ted Baker brand name written on the bag. And as I mentioned, it was listed for £32 and I've got it for well under £20. So now let's have a look on the inside. I mean, the feel is quite good on the bag. I think it'll go as a clutch bag possibly. I mean, nobody know, right? If you carry it for a wedding as a clutch bag, because it looks really beautiful. And it's quite a decent size. I think I'll be able to fit in my phone and some maybe, you know, other girly accessories and such. which I normally wouldn't be able to fit into a clutch bag, but I think it's quite a decent size. It looks pretty, doesn't it? I love the bow. I always seem to have a liking for Ted Baker bows. Have a look and see what it looks like on the inside. Okay, so I think the material is quite good. It's washable, so if you've got your makeup stains on it, any lipstick or any eyeliner, obviously you wouldn't know if your eyeliner has smudged, but I think it's quite nice on the inside because you could just wipe off any liquids or any spillage. I think it looks really pretty. The material is washable on the inside and on the outside, so you can just chuck it in the washing machine if you've got any spillage or your lipstick smudged all over the inside of the wash bag. But I think I've managed to get quite a decent bargain. I mean, given the size, it's quite a decent size in comparison to the other tiny wash bags. Obviously this is a larger one, and I just got it because I thought I'd be able to fit in a lot more things than I could in my previous tiny wash bag. And I'm thinking I possibly could use it as a clutch bag as well. It'll go with any outfit. I mean, look at the color. I mean, who would say it's actually a wash bag? It's quite pretty and fancy at the same time, and quite elegant as well. I like the different colors: pink, beige, blue, beige, pink. I love the color combination. Pink always seems to go well with the blues. So there you go, guys. This is my recent purchase from Ted Baker. Let me know what you think of it, and let me know whether you've managed to grab any other bargains in the sale this season. So see you next time, and happy shopping until then.